Russia has become independent from Ukrainian-produced engines VK2500 for Mil and Kamov type helicopters. Now they are completely manufactured in Russia, said a spokesman of the United Engine Corporation (UEC). UEC provided launching of production of the fully Russian turboshaft engine VK2500 for Mil and Kamov helos. Previously, we used Ukrainian-made engines, reports Interfax, referring to the company's press service. According to him, in order to launch the VK2500 engine production in Russia, as was instructed by the Ministry of Industry and Trade and Defense Ministry, the UEC companies have arranged a wide industrial cooperation. Today, the corporation boosts production rates of the VK2500 engines, given the needs of the governmental customers and exports. Take note, only Russian components are used in the engine's assembly process. Speaking of combat helicopters being supplied under the state defense procurement program, all of them are powered by Russian-made engines, said the interviewee.